Huh? You'd like it? Let's run another one. Okay. Hey, we're gonna, we'll just get this one. Okay. I was like, I said. Everybody have a good Christmas, or holiday, sorry. Woo! Let's say holiday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Dave.
Appreciate that. I turned, what is the date today? 27th?
7th. Yes. And yours was the 20th. Yeah.
31 in a week.
31.
What?
31.
14 on your arm.
The 14 on my arm?
I know it means something.
Yes, it's how many cuts I made on my first audition to the so
Wow.
Archie would have beaten me, would have been 13. His birthday's tomorrow.
Oh, wow. Mine was on Tuesday.
Best ever.
The 24th.
Well, that's why I got the two.
That's why I'm here.
Now, I'm using my telephone.
Thank you. Thank you. It's been like my birthday month. I know.
You gonna be up here later?
Yes.
You're gonna be right there?
Yes. Okay.
We did that once before, too.
Yeah. Yes.
Who's to say you're never wrong? Who's to say that I'm not already gone? Who's to say the tiger inside your head keeps running on?